Have you ever dreamed of wandering through the beautiful streets of Paris or Montreal and actually feeling like you belong there? Well, in this explainer, we're going to unlock the essential French phrases you need to not just ask for directions, but to actually understand the answer you get back. So let's dive in.
Okay, picture this. You're surrounded by incredible buildings, you can smell fresh croissants in the air, but you have absolutely no idea where you are. We've all been there, right? That feeling of being totally and completely lost is exactly why knowing how to ask for a little help is, well, one of the most practical skills you can possibly learn.
But hey, don't worry, we're going to break it all down into 3 simple keys. First, we'll cover how to ask the question in the first place. Second, and this is the big one, how to actually understand the answer you get back. And third, how to put it all into practice. By the end of this, you're going to be navigating with total confidence.
Let's get started with that first key, asking the right question. I mean, you can't get an answer if you don't ask, right? And the good news is, the most important phrases are actually pretty simple.
Okay, so these are going to be your best friends. Où est is your classic go-to for anything singular, like où est la gare for where's the train station. Now, if you're looking for something plural, like the bathrooms, you just swap it to où sont. Easy enough. A slightly more polite way to go is pardon, je cherche, which literally just means, excuse me, I'm looking for.
So, let's try one out. Imagine you need a pharmacy. You'd walk up and say, Pardon, je cherche une pharmacie. Go on, give it a try. Just repeat after me. Pardon, je cherche une pharmacie. Awesome.
So, you've asked your question and someone's pointed you down the street. But is that like a 5-minute walk or a 30-minute hike? To find out, you just need these 2 super simple but absolutely essential follow-up questions. C'est loin for is it far, and c'est près for is it close.
So you've bravely asked for directions. Awesome. Now comes the really crucial part, actually understanding the response. This is the part where a lot of people, they start to panic a little. But we are going to demystify it right now. The key here is to listen for something called the imperative. Now, I know that sounds all technical and scary, but really, it's just the command form of a verb. It's how people give direct instructions. Think about it. They're not going to have a long chat with you. They're going to give you commands like go, turn, take.
And these are the most common commands you are going to hear. Let's run through them. Continuez tout droit means go straight ahead. Tournez à gauche is turn left. Prenez la première rue means take the first street. And arrêtez is, you guessed it, stop. Just try saying those main words. Continuez, tournez, prenez. You got it.
Okay, so once you've followed the commands, you need to know exactly where to look. And these little words, they're your final clues. Is it à droite, on the right, or à gauche, on the left? Is it devant, in front of something, or maybe à côté de, which means next to it? Listening for these is like finding the final piece of the puzzle.
So let's put it all together. A full instruction might sound something like this. La banque est à côté du supermarché. The bank is next to the supermarket. See how that works? You've got the place, a location word, and a landmark. Simple.
All right, you have all the building blocks. Now let's see how they snap together in a real conversation. It's time to put these new skills to the test.
So here's our question. Someone's looking for the library. It's simple, it's polite. Pardon? Où est la bibliothèque? And here's the answer, using those exact command verbs we just learned. Continuez tout droit, puis tournez à gauche. Go straight, then turn left. Super clear instructions.
But wait, our traveler is smart. They need a little bit more info, so they ask that essential follow-up question. C'est loin? Is it far?
And we get this helpful reply, non, c'est à 5 minutes. Nope, it's 5 minutes away. Perfect. Okay, now let's try repeating that whole conversation together, nice and slow. Pardon, où est la bibliothèque? Continuez tout droit, puis tournez à gauche. C'est loin? Non, c'est à 5 minutes. Excellent work. All right, pop quiz time. Let's see what you remember. It's your turn. How would you say turn right? I'll give you a second to think about it.
Did you get it? Yes, it's tournez à droite. It's just the opposite of à gauche. Simple as that.
Okay, let's try one more. How would you ask, where is the museum? Think back to our very first key phrases.
And the answer is, où est le musée? See? You are doing great. You've already got the most important phrases down pat. Wow, we've covered a ton of ground, haven't we? But you know what? It all really boils down to a small set of super powerful phrases. So let's recap what's in your new French navigation toolkit.
Think of this as your survival guide. You start with your main question. Où est? Then you listen for those command verbs like continuez and tournez. Then you pinpoint the final spot with location words like à côté de. And don't forget your simple helpers, c'est loin, and of course, the ultimate backup plan if you're really stuck, je suis perdu, I am lost.
And that's really it. With just these phrases, you have everything you need to connect with people, find your way, and explore with so much more confidence. You are officially ready to survive in any French city, even if your phone battery dies.
So, what do you think? Are you ready to give it a shot? Your challenge for your next step is to write your own little mini dialogue right there in the comments. Use où est to ask for a place and tournez to give a simple direction. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Bravo and happy travels!